how you can get promo code for Upwork. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's get started. So, the first website is this right here. It's upwork.knology.com. After you just visit this website, just search for the option to get the promo code. And after you do so, here you can see the option to get the deal. Now to get the promo code, just tap on get this deal, or you can just tap on get codes too. After you do this, you'll get the code and you can use it. Now, the next website is this dealsspotter.com. Now, you can use this website to just get Upwork. Now, it might not be here sometimes, but if you refresh it and if you just search for it, Upwork right here, and after you search for Upwork, it will show up. Now, you can just see coupons and promo codes here. And the last website for today is Retail Me Not. Now, if you go to this website right here and search for Upwork, you will see a lot of deals. Now you can just get the deals from here, or you can just scroll down and search for promo codes. Now here you can see the coupons. You can get gift cards, you can get promo codes, you can get 50% off. And yeah, these are the websites from which you can get promo codes for Upwork, guys. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.